I've never purchased anything from them before. I did get a large because I was told to size up.
Why you do that?
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a little fun, a little different, but I'm doing an unboxing try on haul, but we're gonna be featuring my boyfriend in a minute. But first, I'm gonna do the unboxing. First bag. These are both from ONER Active. This is my first order from ONER Active. I've never purchased anything from them before, and I've been waiting to buy something from them for a while now, but they just had a launch like last week, so I had to get my hands on some stuff, and I made one order and then literally had to go back, and I got some other stuff. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing, and then we're gonna get my boyfriend in here, and then we're gonna do the little try on haul with his reactions to all of the items I got. Okay, firstly, we're going to do this smaller package. These are the first two items. I'm just absolutely so excited to try these, but I feel like it's definitely kind of a different tone than I thought. I'm not trying to say the color right now because I don't want him to hear and like know the colors, but I'll put it on the screen what exact color this is from the website. I did get a large because I was told to size up, and I'm glad I did because honestly, this does not even look like a large. So I'm hoping this fits me still, but I'm excited to try these on. I heard they're super flattering and cute. The material is very different. It's thicker than I thought it was gonna be. This is what this looks like, kind of up close. And then the second piece, this is super cute. So it's perfect for, honestly, spring coming up. This padding feels really nice. Like, honestly, like the best quality padding that I've felt. I'm really excited to see this on because it looks like it's gonna be really flattering, really cute. Also, you can go like this, clip it or unclip it, which I like when you can kind of change stuff up with them. For the second package, okay, number one thing, I'm a little too excited for this, not gonna lie. Like, for what this is, I'm a little overexcited, but look how cute. This is super good quality, thick. Oh, I just know this is gonna be so cozy. Oh, I'm so excited. This inside is super soft. Like, this is just, honestly, the designing is beautiful. I love like the monotone. Is that the right word? I think it's the right word. The monotone stitching versus like different colors, you know. Like, this looks very minimalistic and cute. This color is just beautiful too. I'm gonna need to get more stuff in this color, not gonna lie. And this last thing, I actually was gonna get a different pair, but they sold out literally when I was checking out. These are super cute. This is, again, like a different color than I really thought it was, but I don't mind it because I really like this color. We're gonna get him in here and get started with the try-on portion of this video.
Hey, what's up, guys? As you guys can see, it's Dejan Price here. I'm about to be reacting to her ONER Active brand that she just bought. And we have another video like this, so super excited to see her in these outfits. We do work out quite often together, so like it'd be cool to see if there's some outfits that I can sort of match with her. Hopefully they got some cool colors. I'm expecting her to look good in all of them. So we'll see. Let's get it.
Ready?
Yeah.
So, this is the sage green, nor my recycling. Whatever, okay.
Okay.
So,
I like that.
this is the top.
Okay.
It has adjustable straps. I definitely need to tighten them a little bit. But it also like crosses, which I like. When they have options to do this, you can go like this and like hook it.
I like that.
So it could be like this or the other way. Let me see. Oh, my tattoo.
Now you look buff. That back was ripped. Let me see close. Oh yeah. Open it up. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Dude. Stuff that one.
So yeah, this is just a different color than I usually go for.
Cool.
They're comfy.
You want me to give it a rating or
They're
no?
flattering. Yeah, you can read it.
1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. I'm gonna give that an 8.
An 8.
8.
An 8.
Solid 8. 8 is high.
So wait. You have to do the individual pieces. So like.
I like it. I like how there's a nice imprint of their logo right here. And it's super stitchable, so like when you wash it, it's not going to just rub off like rubber.
See the other stitching?
I see the other stitching.
It's unique.
I do see the other stitching.
And then
the top, you got the top.
What's the rating?
Sports bras, a scrunch. Oh, it's an 8.
The leggings?
Everything's an 8. I'm not.
So 8.
I'm not gonna individually compare. It's not a la carte. It's the whole.
It is a la carte.
No, it's not.
Because I can wear it with different pieces with different.
Hey guys,
stuff.
the whole vibe, I put it as an 8.
I think it's pretty cute.
It does what it needs to. It pays the bills.
It pays the bills.
Literally.
We are going to the next fit. Okay.
2 hours later, where is she at? 2 hours later, where is she at? Looking at my time, she late. Gotta go get it. If she look good, I'ma have to go take her on a date. I'ma need her digits, and her soul, just care, her teeth.
Oh.
Hey!
So this is the sweatshirt.
Oh yeah.
Which is literally so comfy and soft.
Oh.
It's so nice. The inside is super soft.
Okay.
It's like a nice thick material. And then
looks like a little boob there right here.
Yeah, we match. So then I got the shorts.
Yeah, those look like a unique material.
I'd say they're pretty much the same. I was gonna get, they have like 2 options of shorts, and the other ones are like shorter, and then they sold out. So I just got these, which is like fine, because I can always like make them shorter, but they're like a good length. I feel like if I like hike them up a tiny bit. You like this color or the green better?
I like both of them. Okay. I don't like either or better. I would rate this fit a 7.
A 7, really?
7, I would.
Okay.
I would.
Why?
Actually, it all depends on if she wears some kicks, like some Air Forces. Like, you can wear this to go out.
These are longer too, which my girls that have thicker thighs, you know why the longer shorts are best for that, but yeah, these are super comfy, anti-chafing.
Anti-chafing.
Anti-chafing. This sweatshirt is like a perfect sweatshirt
I
for
like
either.
How long it is on you too.
I know.
I like that snuggly, cuddly feeling. You really are bombing your blonde right now.
Bomb? What does that mean? What does that mean?
Bombing your blonde? Like you're really in your identity right now. Like you're in there.
Okay.
Like it's
cozy.
It's
cozy,
cozy
but cute at the same time?
It's cozy. I like it.
And the sweatshirt is good for like going to the gym and then like taking it off, because low-key it is a little hot in here because this is thick material. But also like, again, going on a walk if it's a little chilly, like this is just good. And also, one of my favorite things too, as you probably heard when I was talking to them when I was unboxing it, it's like monotone. So it's not like white stitching where it like really stands out and it just is like.
It's all the same color.
Yeah, it's very like minimal and it looks just like more put together and clean that way. And also they have like it at the back too. Yeah.
I like it. It's a vibe. Yeah, I'll give it a 7.
A 7?
I'll give it a 7.
Okay, but what about like individually? Because this isn't necessarily
I'll give the top a 10.
A 10, yeah.
Yes, and I'll probably give these. Let me see. I'll probably give these. Why you do that?
I really like the waistbands on these. Like they're not like I can't breathe like some other brands, but they're still like, you know, they're still like, what's the word? Flattering. Because it still kind of, you know, hits the curves in the best places. Yeah. No, I'm glad I got these longer.
I will rate those a 9.
9?
Yeah.
So how's the whole outfit a 7 if this is a 9 and this is a 10? That's like a 9.5.
Because on you, it's a 7.
So who would make it a 10?
It's a 7 on her, guys. Huh?
Who would make it a 10 then?
I'm not saying no one in particular will make it a 10. I'm saying on you, it's a 7. I'm not gonna lie to you. I love the fit. First of all, hey, I love the fit. I love it. But out of 1 to 10, it's a 7.
So like just not together.
So not together, just how it is. Probably, I don't know if it's color, just on you. It's with the shorts. This, I can see that on jeans or something of that nature. Jeans, some nice shoes. We go out. But together, it just doesn't look like it's quite accommodating.
Okay.
So a 7 is still above average.
Do you think this would be cuter with the leggings? Like the green?
Top?
I personally feel like sweatshirts, like big baggy sweatshirts, are like cuter with like pants versus like shorts.
Absolutely.
So.
I mean,
otherwise, it kind of makes me look like an Oompa Loompa or something.
Well,
because I'm like, my body has like no shape. I'm just like.
That's probably why I said like
a square. What about these colors together though? Because I wanted to get everything that would like be able to go together too. Like the colors, the colors can go together. Yeah, so like the green and this color, I really want to get like, I wanted to get like shorts in this color because they have this color for like all of this stuff too. But I have so many leggings in dark browns.
All right, guys. Yes, I gave it a 7 out of 10, which is still great. So time for the next one.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. You say that's it, but that was like a $200 haul right there. Shoot. That's it? He said until next time.
Until next.
This is the problem. Great. This is the problem when we film together. It's like I look like a ghost.
And I look.
You look good. You look like glowing, and I look like a ghost. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Again, like this video. If you don't, I'm gonna find you. We also have our own channel, so you guys are so good. Yeah.
Hey, we also have our own channel, D&L, so you guys should go over there, subscribe, and comment on our latest video. I'm sure it's going to be a funny one. Thank you guys for watching this photo. In motion. Thank you for watching this photo in motion. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you are subscribed if you haven't already. Have to.
I literally checked my analytics, guys. 80+% of you guys just watch my videos and don't subscribe. Comment down below what other activewear you want to see hauls with. Comment down below what your favorite activewear, if you've tried ONER Active, and if you're like thinking about trying, that's why you're watching this. And I will see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye!